Here's the fastest way to make money online, and it's easy. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching the video, I'm assuming you're trying to make money online, right? You're trying to earn that extra cash. You're looking for that side hustle. There are a lot of ways that somebody can make money online, but there are only a few of them that's very easy to do. And when anybody asks me, yo, what's the way that I can start making money online? The first thing I say is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's product or services, and for every sale that you generate, you receive a commission. And the dope thing about affiliate marketing is there are thousands of affiliate programs out there that you can join and actually start earning money. So depending on what affiliate program you are with and what products you're promoting, you can earn anywhere from 5% commissions all the way up to 75% commissions for selling those products. So you might be thinking, all right, affiliate marketing. Okay, I'll rock with it. Like, I want to get started. How can I start making money with it? First thing you need to do is figure out what you want to become an affiliate of. Now, I always tell people you want to start with something that you have an interest in, something that you know about. So say, for example, you are into fitness, and every time you go to the gym, you always get on the Nordic Track treadmill. All right, that's your thing. You love it. You burn crazy calories on that thing. So guess what? You can become an affiliate of that Nordic Track treadmill. Now, what you can do is either go to the Nordic Track website, right, and just scroll down the page and look for anywhere where it says, you know, become an affiliate. And if they don't have an affiliate program, you can see if it is on Amazon. All right, if it's being sold on Amazon, then you can become an Amazon affiliate and promote it that way. So keep in mind, I'm talking about a piece of workout equipment, but this applies to anything. It doesn't matter if you are promoting fishing poles. It doesn't matter if you're promoting shoes, jewelry, digital products. It doesn't matter, right? All right, so now that you know what you're an affiliate of, you got this little affiliate link, all right? So what are you gonna do with it? The fastest way to start generating some affiliate cash is YouTube, all right? The first thing you need to do is create a YouTube review for whatever it is you are promoting. And if you don't have the actual product that you're promoting, all right, what you want to do is do your research. Do your research and find what other people are saying about this product. Find real reviews, at least try to find real reviews, and then you create a video, maybe talking about what other people are saying about this, or just give your opinion on the product. Give a lot of information in the video. All right, that's the first thing you need to do. And of course, you want to put your affiliate link in the description of that video and let people know, hey, for more information, be sure to check out that link in the description, right? If you want to check out the Nordic Track treadmill for yourself, click that first link in the description. 9 times out of 10, you're definitely going to get some sort of views off of a review, whether it be 10 views or 10,000 views. Review videos works, all right? So I'm gonna be all the way real with you, all right? One video is probably not gonna cut it. It could, you know what I'm saying? One review video could, you know, get you some commissions, but you need multiple videos. Now you want to do other videos based around that product that you are promoting. Once again, if it's a Nordic Track treadmill that you're promoting, maybe you want to give some more tips and tricks videos about that treadmill. Whatever, right? You just want to be creative, but most importantly, create content about whatever it is you're promoting and make sure you direct people to your affiliate link. So another thing you can do is create content that's related to what it is you're promoting. Once again, say you're promoting that treadmill, all right? So you might do a video talking about healthy eating, right? And then somewhere in the video, you can direct people to your favorite piece of workout equipment. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Right? This is another great way to get traffic to your affiliate link. Now, the cool thing about affiliate marketing and using YouTube is there's no limit, you know, on the videos that you can create. It really depends on you. your schedule and your hustle. All right, because there's nothing stopping you from creating 4 videos today, right? And then, you know, having them scheduled out throughout the week. You can have 10 videos up this week about the product you're promoting, or you can have 100 videos up, you know, this week if you wanted to, right? So it really depends on you. But the idea of affiliate marketing is driving traffic to your affiliate link, right? The more traffic, the more opportunity you're going to get to earn some commissions. So like I said, there are a lot of affiliate programs out there, a lot that you probably don't even think of, but they're out there. But if you just want some places to get started, you can become an Amazon affiliate. A lot of people don't even know you could become a Walmart affiliate. You can even become an eBay affiliate, or you can actually just think about your favorite product, do a Google search on it, put like Nordic Track affiliate program, right? And then see what pops up. If you more into digital products, you can become an affiliate at ClickBank and another place called Digistore 24. So yes, affiliate marketing can be super fast because you can literally sign up with the affiliate program today and have a commission by tonight. It is possible. Now, if you're looking for another way that you can start making money online and how I make money online every single month, you want to watch this video right here, right now.